Hi everyone, this trade journal is for June 20th, and for Friday I made about $1,437. So it's pretty good and eventful day. Honestly, it was there were some ups and downs, but we finished strong, and let's jump into some of the key trades that kind of made us a lot of money that day. So strictly following our VX algo system that day, pull the chart, we had a few signals. Our first signal was 9:30 a.m. We had an X1 sell signal, which was a double signal, and that was around here, and asking us to short around 60.38 area, and then we eventually back to 60.39. Two entries there, 60.38. I mean 68 to 60.52s, and then we tested 60.70s again, and we went back to as low as 60.50s. So that signal worked out perfectly. And then 10:30, we had a market structure flipping bearish signal, which is probably one of my favorite signals so far because it's telling us the overall structure of the market. So over here, once you see the market structure flipping bearish, you want to start shorting any resistance that you see. And as you can see here, after 10:30, we had a slight run up here, and then since market structure is bearish, it starts selling off, breaking the MOB, which is our big yellow line here, and went down further to 60.10. So if you took it from 60.40 to 60.10, that's easily a 30-point move. Great profit there. And then after that, our last signal that worked out really well was the 11:14 signal, which was a triple buy signal. Um, and that went from 60.24 to as high as 60.39. So another 14.50 move. Great play there. One lesson that I learned today is that despite how bearish you think the market is, or how doomer the scenario is, because on Friday there was a lot of situation going on. There was huge potential for U.S. to bomb Iran. The Fed meeting wasn't too crazy, and everybody was extremely bearish, but the market initially pushed it up as high as it could to squeeze out all the bearish players. And if you just had that bearish mindset going into the market, you would have lost money. But because we strictly, trust our process and trust our plans, and we just waited out, and we didn't get entry until we saw the signals, and that we use that as a basis for our trades, that worked out and continued to make money. So even over here, when we flip bullish, we were able to do so because the signals tell us that market makers flipping bullish. So that's a great lesson learned. On the bigger picture of things, the market react to a lot of key levels as we played out here, 6,000 and 60 tens. That kind of held as a key level throughout that day over here, and we rejected like mostly the MOB area around 60.30s, and as you can see, that continued to play out and make money there too. So for tomorrow, I would, which is Monday, I would continue to watch if we can climb back over 60.15s. If we can't climb over 50.15s, I would probably consider us very bearish and continue shorting any resistance that we see. If we do climb over this, we could potentially fit bullish, which means we want to go long more than we go short. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe for daily trade breakdowns that keep it simple and actionable. And drop a like if this helped you, or comment with any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.